Yeah, the previous video on plants actually had to get paused. The one on the video above. So what you should do is this. I would continue from where I stopped and try to continue. So I was talking about plant and viruses. Virus have a lot of definite the negative effects on plants. Yes, theoretically they've been saying that plants may have virus may have positive effects on plants, maybe some specific type of viruses. But I will tell you, if anything cannot live on its own, cannot have any positive effect because its livelihood will be on you. And then if there's a little bit what unfavorable condition, you are dead. In short, that is not actually an association that is mutualistic in nature. Take lichen for an example. No matter how hard it is, the chain will survive because they are what truly mutualistic. That is it, because they both have fungi and algae has real beneficial effect with one another. So there are different viruses that causes harm to bacteria to plants, and examples are like the cassava mosaic virus. Generally, mosaic viruses. The mosaic viruses are actually like maybe the same species of viruses, but in botany they classify them based on what they attack directly. But I was just tell you, mosaic virus is a category of viruses that causes mosaic, like they just enter and start to eat specific part of cells in a specific design. In the processes I've taught you, they attack and do that. I think if you look at the cells of the plant very well through the understanding of plant cellology, then you understand that there are some plant cells are arranged in a particular structure. Now the virus attack these specific cells which have been arranged in that particular structure, causing the formation of mosaic, because that is the place it is attacking the most. You understand what I'm saying? Maybe the waste product is now moved to another plant, and that's why the plant mosaic virus looks like that. And that is all about plant microbiology that will give you as an introduction. You get what I'm saying? This course as a whole, as you see the list up and down, is actually introductive applied plant microbiology, meaning I'm going to give you introduction of plant biology in a way that even with what you just know right now, you can apply microbiological concepts to whatever you want to do. In fact, you can start doing lab work from here because you're on plants, because now you know, okay, this and this works in this way generally. Then you can now start developing methods to actually discover any virus or plant or fungi, and in a way that's if you've done the introductive mycology and all those stuff. And there are some parts of them which I have not really published because that is going to be paid. The carrying out researches on all of them, like carrying out bacteriology research, carrying out mycological research, carrying out this research, that research at the most basic level as a student, which you are supposed to use to start discovering organisms by yourself. And then the lecturer will say, okay, what's the name of the organism you just discovered? Well, I don't know the name, but these are the properties. Go and check the manual. For instance, the manual for microbiology for bacteria, to get the list of names of bacteria that will fit with what we've researched is Baltimore whatever. So there are different manuals that have all the description of different kinds of bacteria. So I don't think there's need for me to be teaching you the description of different bacteria when I can actually try and teach you how you can carry out your microbiological research on whatever you want to carry it out, and then when you get your results, go and compare with that manual. You understand what I'm saying now? There's Baltimore manual, there's different manuals. You understand? You can actually check PDF drive to see which one you can download, and then you can start going to the lab to do some experiments. Personally, I know the school might be doing some things right now because the way schools in Nigeria right now, I understand, but at the same time, you can actually look for a research lab within your vicinity where you can carry out your researches and start to understand what microbiology is all about, becoming a real student of microbiology, trying to understand and discovering more things. Thank you very much. This plant microbiology, the last part of the introduction. Thank you very much.